Hi guys! I have here the new Specktron eHub AirTouch Pro. Let's see what's inside. So the first item inside the box is the eHub base unit. So what's on here? We have the power button, the power switch. We have different ports, the USB 3.0 ports, LAN ports, and also port for our power supply. And inside the box, we also have the 3 antennas, which we need to connect to our base station. And lastly, we have the Type-C transmitter dongle. So come on, let's set it up. So this is the home page that we will see after we connect our eHub AirTouch Pro to our monitors or screens. After setting up your eHub base station and the screen, you can now pair your dongle. Just connect it on the Type-C port. After pairing is complete, you can now connect the transmitter dongle to your laptop. And voila! You are already sharing your screen. So, if you want to know more about this product, feel free to reach out to us.